Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got a package from QiYi. We've got the new UV coated Tornado version 3. We've got a budget 4x4, the QiYi S3, and we've got the timer. Now, I've heard the timer's very durable, and I wasn't going to do any durability tests because you're not chucking things around, but looks like the Postal Service already did that. So we'll check that out. First, let's just check out the Tornado. I'll do a quick solve on the 4x4 as well. Now, this timer, I'm excited about it. It says it can connect to a phone app, so I'll have to download that, and we'll try that all together. Now, I like the Tornado version 3. I like the Tornado version 2 even better with core magnets. Okay, quick note about the UV coating. So as you can see, it's very shiny. It feels not as thick as the Moyu and the Gan one. So it doesn't feel like it's completely coated, but it does feel extra grippy. Now, this one also has the different core. So my core wasn't that clear one. It still had the screws. So if I take this off, the original one had a screw there. This does not, which you don't need because you can just tension it by hand. Now, I asked QiYi about the core. They said that there's a very slight difference in weight, but really you should not feel any difference with it. So I'm going to add just a little bit of lubrication. I've got jack-o'-lantern here because I want to smooth it out a little bit and slow it down a little bit. Okay, and the 4x4. So, budget 4x4. No magnets, matte plastic, under 59 millimeters. That is wonderful. A nice small 4x4. I'll do solve of this at the end because I want to get to the big stuff. Okay, we've got the cap so we can add this to a mat. We've got the timer. Nothing super rounded here, just a nice sleek shape. We've got batteries, looks like, I believe, AAA. It does say on the packaging to not use rechargeable ones. I don't understand why. If someone knows why that might be the case, let me know. And we have a phone stand or iPad stand. I would love for timers to start coming with rechargeable batteries built in. So you just plug it in and you're good to go for, I don't know, a few hours. I would love timers to come with rechargeable batteries built in. So for like competitions, you just charge them all up and they're good for the competition or, you know, something like that. Then again, if they fail, you're kind of stuck. Okay, so this thing says I already have it downloaded. I don't remember when I did that, but we're going to click open. And then I don't know what any of this says. I'm going to click the one on the right because I did one on the left and it... There we go, English, okay. So I've got it all set up now. You click this and on the timer you connect it. So it's already connected. And then you're all set to go. So you can do a 15-second inspection by tapping the timer and it'll do +2 as well. If you go too late, it'll count to 15. I don't know if there is audio and I'm just not hearing it because it's plugged into my computer right now. Oh, bad recognition on my part. So I'll show you here without the 15-second inspection. So I can just inspect it without hitting the timer, and you just hold your hands down like you normally would. Like that. Let's erase all those times because I don't care about keeping any times. Under settings, we have show inspection, alert. There's the delay time for when you tap it. Two-handed simulation stack mat. Okay. Scrambling. We've got font size, stats, rolling average of 3, average of 5, rolling average of 4, average of whatever. 3x3 solver, show cross solution. So, ooh, what is this? Let's do X cross on white. Oh, interesting. So you can actually get cross solutions. You can get graphs. Looks like maybe it just does 3x3. Okay, last thing I said I was going to do a solve on the 4x4, so we're going to do that. It's non-magnetic, but it is a nice size. I could magnetize it. Let's add some lubrication though, because it was a bit sandy.
Sandy!
And I like a more slick feel, so adding more of this jack-o'-lantern. It's been a while since I've done a 4x4 solve. Okay. Submit it. So that's honestly about it. Tornado feels great. UV coated, good size, easy settings. The timer works well. Nothing super crazy about it besides it working Bluetooth with an app. The app is, at least right as you open it up, not in English, so make sure you click the one on the right side to accept. Then you have a really short time to get your passcode. And yeah, it works. So it's a nice way to practice with a timer and feel like it's somewhat like a competition. So thank you, QiYi, for sending this over. I'm going to have a link in the description where you can get it. It should be available at SpeedCube Shop if it's not already. I believe the Tornado is already right now. So check that out below. Hit like, subscribe for more content in the future. And as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.